Hello guys, we have this linear programming question and it's saying Kuunika wishes to build a lodge with single and double rooms. He needs to decide the number of each room type he should build to maximize profit. Okay? Let X represent the number of single rooms and Y the number of double rooms. Good. A. Write the inequalities which represent each of the following conditions. Very, very good. This is question 9. The first condition, you have 5 conditions, eh?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. So this was simple, okay? Because conditions are here. Okay, it's different from other questions where you need to come up with your own. You need to look for conditions in the statement, in the passage. Okay. So now, how do you answer this? So this is very simple. Write the question number in the exam. What? Write the question number. This is question 9, eh? Question 9. Question 9A. 9A, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 conditions. Okay. Okay, so the first inequality is saying there must be, let me just do this. Okay. The first inequality is saying there must be at least one single room. So number 1, single rooms is what? X, right?
Yes.
X, and at least, the symbol for at least is greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to. So this is at least 1, so 1, eh? Okay, so 1 mark. We go to the second one, eh? There must be at least 10 rooms altogether. They're not saying X or Y, but both. So we're going to say X plus what? X plus Y at least, eh? At least greater than or equal to what? 10. Okay? It's as simple as this. Alright. 2 marks. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. The total number of rooms should not exceed 15. The total number of what? Rooms should not exceed 15. We're still going to add X plus what? Okay? X plus Y should not exceed is less than or equal to 15. Okay? Here they're saying should be at least 10, greater than or equal to 10, but not less than or equal to, not more than 15. Okay? But above 10 or equal to 10. Not more than 15. So it will be 15 or less. Number 4. Okay? The number of double rooms must be at least twice the number of single rooms. This is what gives hell to a lot of students, but it is simple and straightforward. Now, this is how you answer this one. It's saying the number of double rooms. So start with the symbol for double rooms, which is what? Y.
Yes.
Y, like this. Okay? The number of double rooms start with Y. By the way, on the graph, supposed to use a pencil. I'm using a pen so that a pencil is not visible. Okay, so that you can see. On the graph, use a what? Use a pencil. Okay, so Y, the number of double rooms must be at least. So at least like this, huh? The number of double rooms must be at least twice. Twice is what? 2, right? 2 twice the number of single rooms. What? X. This is what it means. Simple. So without this condition, you can read this one as Y. Okay? Y should be greater than or equal to 2 times of what? X. Yes. This is what it means here. So just do direct translation from this. Start with what they're starting with here. Begin with the double rooms. Okay, the symbol for double rooms. Let's go to number 5.
Number 5.
Which is the last one. It was 5 marks. The number of double rooms should not be more than 12. The number of double rooms, which is what? y,
Yes.
double rooms y should not be more than 12. So it is less than or equal to what?
12.
12. Okay? And this is 5 marks. And if you know that if you've gotten 5 marks here, it means that you've gotten 10, because plotting these or graphing these is same what? Is 10 what? Is 10. So 5. Okay? So look at this. B is saying, so let's write B here. B. So B here is saying, using a scale of 2 centimeters to 5 units on both axes. 2 centimeters to 5 what? Units. All right. 2 centimeters to represent 5 units on both in the x and y axis. All right. Then we are even given the range. In the okay, so in the x-axis start from 0 to 16. This is what it means. Don't get confused with this. In the x-axis starts from 0 to 16. But there's no problem. You can just end at 20.
20.
Good. Because you're using 5. So it's 5. There's no way you can use 5 and then get 16. Aye?
Yes.
Even here, same one?
Yeah.
Okay, respectively, shade the unwanted region to indicate clearly the region where the solution of the inequalities lie.
Yes.
Okay, simple. Let's start working. All right. So, like I always advise you, start using the second box here. Okay, use this because don't have negatives on the linear programming.
Yes.
This is not what that topic, cubic function where you start somewhere in the middle. So start from here, and they're saying this is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters represent 5. So this is 0, and this is what? 5. This is 10, 15, and there is 16 there. So it's going to just write 16 here. Just end on what? 20. Okay? 2 to represent what? 5 units. That's what it's saying, even on the units. Okay? Though it looks smaller than the usual graph, but it's fine because this is what we are told. It's a problem yet. Okay? Unless it was science, physics or chemistry, that's when you can use your own scale, and you need to write the scale you've used. Okay? But here scale you are given mathematics is simple. So here 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay? Now where's the rule? Okay. You can just draw the Cartesian plane. You can start with drawing Cartesian plane or the x or y plane. There's no problem. Or you can start by writing, as long as you're going to do the correct what? The correct thing. Yes. Okay. Make sure the ruler is slightly lower than the line. You can't put the ruler in direct, okay, on the line because the measurement will be wrong. This is x-axis. Now listen, on the x-axis here is number of single rooms.
Yes.
So here is single what? Single rooms. Okay, then in the y-axis is what? Double rooms. So this is your paper in the exam. You can just rotate it and write nicely. Double what?
Rooms.
Double rooms. Okay, then and start now doing the right things. Remember what I told you. What did I tell you when it comes to what to start with when plotting? Using an example of these inequalities.
You first write with the inequalities with a single number.
Good. You start with those inequalities with single numbers.
Yes.
And or those inequalities that that don't have what? Coefficient is greater than what? 1, eh?
Yes.
Okay, coefficient. So these are very simple. Okay, so let's start with those single x and this one, eh?
Yes.
All right. So the first one is x is equals to what? 1. Okay? X is equals to what? 1. Now you need to understand very, very carefully, where is 1 here? Where is it? 1. Now, how can you know the number of the value of each small what? Box? You write, it is the units, the what? The units given, which is 5 units, divided by the total number of boxes in 2 centimeters. How many boxes? 10, eh?
Yes.
And this is 0. This is what? 0.5, eh? So each single box is 0.5, meaning 2 boxes is what?
1.
Oh, let's check if at all is correct. So this is 0.5. So 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's working, huh?
Yes.
So 1 is here, and we're going to use a ruler to draw a line. Okay. Draw a line. This is where 1 is, right?
Yes.
Okay, and to make sure that there's no mistake. Okay. Okay, yes, something like this, right?
Yes.
All right, something like this. Then you indicate that this is x is equals to, now use equal signs, right?
Yes.
X is equals to what? 1. X is equals to 1. Okay, x outside the graph, x is equals to 1. Now the next thing is shading. Where are you going to shade? You shade the unwanted region, right? Okay, so listen, this side is greater than x, this side is less than, and it's saying greater than is the wanted region, yeah?
Yes.
So we're going to shade the opposite, which is less what? Less than. Okay, so let's shade the less than part, which is this side. So you shade nicely. Okay. Okay. Next is what? Y is equals to 12. Okay. Y is less than or equal to 12. So you're going to go where 12 is. Since they have the same units on both axes, so it means 2 boxes is 1, eh?
Yes.
Okay. So don't start from here counting 1, please. You know where 10 is. So start from 10, 11, 12 here. Then you draw a horizontal line, eh?
Yes.
Okay, like this. When you be alone in the exam, you don't waste your time. Okay, I'm taking my time because I'm explaining. I'm explaining, right?
Yes.
Okay, and this is it's a solid line.
Sure.
Now, it's saying here less than or equal to. As we're going to shade the greater than, which is the upper side, eh?
Yes.
Okay, so this is where we are going to shade. Okay, and this is y is equals to 12, right? Y is equals to 12. Okay, y is equal to 12. Then next, these you come to these inequalities that are just they have seen that the coefficients are is just what 1, eh? So the number in front of x here is 1, even here 1. So these are very simple. It means this one is passing at 10 on the x-axis and 10 on the y-axis. Don't need to struggle and come up with the coordinates. That's the secret. So just draw a line from 10 to 10. 10 to what? 10 to 10. All right.
Sure.
So this is where 10 is on the y-axis, and y-axis, x-axis is here. All right. Okay. Then it's saying greater than or equal to, as we're going to shade less c,
Less than.
which is this side, eh?
Yes.
Okay. So this side is unwanted, even this side. So this is x plus y is equals to 10, eh? Okay. Then we have 12. Is it 12? 15, eh?
Yes.
We have 15 there. Okay, so 15 up, 15 down. So 15 here on the y-axis and 15 in the x what? X-axis. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. Okay. Good. Now, where are we going to shade? This is less than or equal to. We're going to shade the greater than, which is this side, yeah?
Sure.
Okay, so this side is unwanted. Okay. This side is unwanted, and this is x plus y is equals to 15. Huh?
Sure.
Is equals to 15. Oh, we have one more inequality. Okay, one more inequality, and this is y is greater than 2x. Eh?
Yes.
Now, how do you solve this? This is very simple. I'm going to use this part here to solve for this one. Now I'll use equal sign. Y is equals to 2x. Right? Sure. Okay. Now how do you solve this one easily? It's very simple. Just form a simple table. Right? A simple table. X here, y. Then get any two coordinates in the x-axis. First two coordinates. Right?
Yes.
You can get 10 and the first two, 0 and 5, 5 and 10, whichever. Let's get 0 and 5. Let's get 0 and 5, it's fine. Okay? In the x-axis side. Yes. 0 here, 5. Alright? So, y is equals to 2. X is what? 0. Yes. Meaning, y will also be 0. So, the first coordinates, x is 0, y is what? 0. 0, comma 0. Are we together?
Yes.
Then the second coordinate, so it will be y is equals to 2. X is what? 5, right? Okay? Listen, y is twice. This is what they're saying, eh? Twice the number of x. So if x is 2, y is supposed to be 4. If x is 5, y is supposed to be 10. So y times 5 times 2, 10. So the coordinates, see, there you have x we've used what? 5, right? Take 5, 10. Now we come to our graph and use, by the way, here is 10. Eh? Well, use this. 0, 0 is just here, the initial point. 5v, 10 here. So this is the projection of our what? Our inequality. If we have used these two, you know, if x is 5, y would have been 10. If x is 10, y would have been 20. Still more, it's going to be 20 is here. So it's going to be like this. So if I draw from here up to here, it's going to pass at 20. Let's check. So from 0, I'm not concentrating on the what? On the 20. I'm not concentrating on the 20. I'm concentrating on the first two coordinates we've found. Yes. Okay, so there. So 0, and so draw a straight line passing through that, but it happens that it has also passed at what? It passes at what? 20. All together?
Sure.
Okay. So this is y is equals to 2x. Yes. Now, where are we going to share d? Let's come to the inequality. Inequality is greater than I. So as we're going to share d, less than. Oh, this is greater than. This is less
Less than.
And this is where we're going to shade.
Shade.
To shade. So everything down here is unwanted. Unwanted. Are we together? Okay. Therefore, the wanted region is this. Am I right?
Yes.
This is the wanted region, and it has vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why this is important? We are going to use this to come up with what the maximum profit is, to calculate the maximum what? Maximum profit. Okay? So you are done. This is the what? The inequality. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
This is the inequality. Now, question C is saying the rate for a single room is 600 kwacha. Then for double room is what? 900
Yes.
kwacha. How many rooms of each type should Kuunika build to maximize the income? The income, right? So we are not even asked to calculate the maximum profit, but we are going to calculate so that you prepare as you prepare for the exam, you know what to do, right?
Yes.
Because you can't calculate this one minus knowing the maximum profit. It's impossible. You first find the maximum profit, and you're going to use the maximum profit to do what? To answer this question. So this is what I mean. Let's go to our graph and come up with the objective function. This is known as the objective function. This is question C. So objective function. Okay?
So for 10 marks?
Yes, 10 marks so far. Objective function. Objective function comes from the profit you are given here. The rate, so easy, 60. So I have 600, So I'm going to say 600x, You know 600.00 ngwe. Just forget about the ngwes, guys. So 600 single room x plus, okay, plus 900y is equals to z. What is z? Z is the maximum profit. That's the issue. That's the thing. Now, this is what we're going to do. You're going to use these coordinates to know which coordinate is giving us the maximum what? The maximum profit. Are we together?
Sure.
Okay. So 6.5. Okay, that's the coordinate. But we know this is the lowest coordinate. We can't find maximum profit here. We know we also have this. Aye. So let's test this one. Let's test these two. These two. Then you are done. Okay. This is 5,10. Okay. 5,10. X is 5 and this is 3. Y is 10, this is 5. So you can't use this. Automatically you know that this, between these two, this is greater than this. So let's try this. 600, X is 5, right? Plus 900, Y is 10. This is giving us how much? Quickly, 600 times 5 plus 900 times 10.
12,000.
12,000. Okay, this is giving us 12,000. Now, let's also get this coordinate. This coordinate is, so we have 1, 2, 3. It's 3. So this is 3, what's this line? 12, This is 12, right?
Yes.
Y is equal to 12, 12. Let's check this one. And this is the last test we're going to do. We're going to test even this one. This is less. 600, Y, X is 3. 900, Y is 12, So this is giving us how much?
12,600.
12,600. 600, eh? 12,600. Okay. Now, just for practice purpose, getting this is 1,12.
Yes.
X is 1, eh? It's 1,12. So just say 600, just 600 plus 900 times 12. You can't find the answer greater than this. There's 1 here. So automatically, you compare the two. Which one has given us the maximum profit?
The second answer.
This one, eh?
Yes.
So, you know, this is the maximum profit. Now, they're not asking you, they're saying how many rooms should what? How many rooms of each type should Kuunika build to maximize what? Income. So for Kuunika to maximize income, so we're going to say, therefore, he needs to build three single rooms and 12 double rooms. Okay?
Sure.
That's all. That's the answer. If they ask you calculate the maximum profit, just copy this one and paste. The maximum profit, profit is this 600x plus 912 here, which is 12 what? 1,600. Simple calculations. Are we together?
Sure.
Okay, so this is what it looks like after everything, right?
Sure.
After everything.